Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.